Hey everybody, and welcome to the realm of digitization. Did you know that your computer can not only sleep, but dream? We call these screensavers. Graphical displays that appear whenever your computer needs a little bit of shut-eye. First, go to My Computer, then Control Panel, and then Display. Display properties will open. Click on the tab that says Screensaver. There is a wide array of screensavers to choose from floating text on screen to labyrinths that lead you into the unknown. It can be quite mesmerizing, and if you look at them for long enough, you start to see things you likely wouldn't have caught before. In case your screensaver isn't behaving normally, a failsafe is in order to prevent any permanent damage to your computer. It's called a screensaver. Make sure you are wearing protective gear. Open the disk tray or floppy drive and use a tongue depressor to assess your computer's health. If the computer is running hot, then that confirms it. Your computer has ventured too far into the screensaver's domain and is permanently trapped in a cyber fever dream. Pressing any key won't save it now. Your computer is too far gone to respond. Instead, shut it down and remove any cables that are attached. Look inside the computer's interior for anything unusual. And there you have it, a cyst growing on top of the hard drive. Remove the parasite, euthanize it, place the tray back onto the computer, and plug it in. Your computer should be running normally now. Remember, screensavers aren't just images on display. They're a portal into another world. And while we enjoy looking at these worlds of the unknown, sometimes these worlds look right back at us.